With some thought and planning, it's easy to make these nutrient-dense foods part of your daily diet. With choices from virtually every food group, you'll soon be well on your way to arming yourself to battle the pain of arthritis and begin to manage it from the inside out. Superfoods for conquering the pain of arthritis. Salmon. Salmon is among the richest sources of healthy fats, making it an ideal source of omega-3 fatty acids. In addition, salmon contains calcium, vitamin D, and folate. Besides helping with arthritis, eating salmon may protect the cardiovascular system by preventing blood clots, repairing artery damage, raising levels of good cholesterol, and lowering blood pressure. Bananas. Commonly referred to as one of nature's perfect foods, bananas are perhaps best known for packing potassium, but they're also good sources of arthritis-fighting vitamin B6, folate, and vitamin C. They're easy for your body to digest, and since they're a great source of soluble fiber, they are an important player in your weight loss efforts, because you feel full after eating one without consuming a large number of calories. Green bell pepper. If you are in need of vitamin C but aren't a big fan of citrus fruits, reach for a green pepper. A single green pepper contains 176% of your daily needs for vitamin C, and colorful red and yellow varieties have more than double that amount. That makes them richer in C than citrus fruits, but sweet peppers are also excellent sources of vitamin B6 and folate. Shrimps. Vitamin D is a tough one to come by in foods, but shrimp fills that bill, since they have about 30% of the daily recommended amount in about 3 ounces, much more than a cup of milk. Shrimp also contains omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin C, along with other nutrients essential for general health, including iron and vitamin B12. Cheese. Hard or soft, fresh or ripened, cheese in all its variety is an excellent source of calcium for bones, and protein for muscles and other joint-supporting tissues. Cheese can be easily sliced to put on a cracker or a sandwich, grated into your favorite recipe, or eaten alongside an apple or pear for a fresh, quick snack. Green tea. Green tea contains hundreds of powerful antioxidant chemicals called polyphenols and has been cited for helping prevent problems ranging from cancer to heart disease. But studies also suggest green tea may help prevent or ease symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis. Herbal options for arthritis. Arthritis comes in various forms, but it's always painful. The typical medical approach is to take some sort of pain medication, usually non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, or NASDs, that might result in various side effects, such as stomach pain. Thankfully, there are some natural, herbal approaches to arthritis pain management. Here are some of them. White willow. The bark of the willow, especially the white willow, has been used to relieve pain and inflammation for decades, even centuries. It contains a substance called salicin, which is the basis for aspirin. White willow can be taken as a tea or in capsule form, preferably with food. Stinging nettle. This persistent weed may provide significant relief for arthritis sufferers. You can use it topically or take it internally. If you use it topically, you take advantage of stinging nettle's sting, slapping the plant onto the area of your body that is experiencing arthritis pain. Cooking and eating stinging nettles, the stings disappear when it's cooked, as a vegetable can also help. Stinging nettles contain significant amounts of the mineral boron, which is said to help the bones and joints retain calcium. Red pepper, capsicum. Red pepper's heat comes from a substance called capsaicin, and it's this same substance that helps relieve arthritis pain. Capsaicin acts as an endorphin trigger. Endorphins are the body's natural pain killers. If you like spicy foods, add some red pepper to your daily diet in the form of hot pepper sauce, or by adding ground red pepper to foods. Red pepper can also be applied topically. Red pepper capsaicin creams are available in most drug stores, but make sure you wash your hands after applying it, or wear gloves when applying. You don't want to get it in your eyes. Foods and spices. There are various foods and spices that you can incorporate into your foods for arthritis relief. Here are some of them. Ginger. Drinking a cup or 3 of ginger tea every day is said to help arthritis pain. It works as an anti-inflammatory, relieving the pain and swelling of arthritis. Turmeric. This yellowish spice can be added to curries, rice pilafs, and other dishes. Its effects are similar to those of ginger. Turmeric can also be taken in capsules. Oregano. In addition to containing anti-inflammatory properties, oregano is also reputed to be an antioxidant. Sprinkle it liberally on your pizza, add it to your spaghetti sauce, or mix it into meatloaf. Oregano can be added to a lot of Greek and Italian foods. The content of this video is for information only and may not be regarded as medical advice or instruction. No action or inaction should be taken based merely on the contents of this video. Instead, you should consult appropriate health professionals on any matter relating to your health and well-being. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment and share this video. This is Natural Remedies TV inviting you to watch our other videos. Thank you for watching.